Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to change battery icon on iPhone. For that you need to go on your settings. If settings is already in your screen, that's okay. If you don't have the option settings, you can go at the app library, search settings. Now tap over there, scroll down a bit. There you can see the option battery, tap over there. Right now you can see that the battery icon is not in the percentage mode. In case that you want to change the icon or change it into the percentage mode, all you have to do is tap on the first option, that is battery percentage. Now you can see that the percentage of the battery is displaying on the battery icon at the top of your phone. Now in case that you don't want your battery percentage to be seen in your battery icon, all you have to do is again turn off the mode, and this is how simply you can change your battery icon on your iPhone. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Guide Hub. Thank you.